I'm Cailtin. I just wrapped up my third year studying fine arts at Mount Allison University, and this year I was proud to be the J.E.A. Crake ArtsWork Intern. So this year I worked a lot with the publications. The Owens has been publishing their own catalogs for about 60 years now, and basically what I was doing was going through a spreadsheet, uh, taking data on all of the publications and organizing everything, and I worked directly with the catalogs in counting, taking inventory, and then updating said data on the spreadsheets, and then taking photos of all of them to prepare to be uploaded onto the website. Personally, I find that anything art related should be very accessible to the public, and the type of work that I was doing was really helping making that step forward into having the publications be public to everyone, easily accessed through the website and able to be purchased through the website as well. I also worked on organizing the Great Catalog giveaway, which happened in November, very beginning of November. And the Great Catalog giveaway was also a very nice experience. I sat at the front desk for a little bit to just observe the event, and the people were coming up to me and asking, like, "Are these really free?" And like the smiles on their faces when I told them, like, yes, they're free. It was very rewarding, and it felt so worth it. I think I gathered a very like big appreciation for the design work that goes into the publications. They're so gorgeous, and also just an appreciation for art writing. There's some really great essays in all the publications, and it was a bit of I got my own personal gain from it as well because I got to be introduced to so many new artists that I wasn't aware of before doing this type of work, and because of the nature of the work, you're spending so much time with the catalog, reading it, looking at all the images, and you just kind of form that personal relationship. And like I've learned so much, and I really value that as well.